In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to schedule a post, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Posts and select All Posts. From here click on Edit to edit the post. On right, we have Publish options, and from here we can edit its status, visibility and schedule. Click on Edit for Schedule, and here first enter month, date, year, also the time to publish, and click on OK button. Once done, click on Schedule button. Now again go to All Posts, and here you can see that your post has been scheduled. On right, we can schedule date and time for the post. So this is how you can schedule a post. Thank you for watching.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WPLearning101.com and start mastering WordPress today.